going on here with
Yeah, you already know.
we're at a Dominican spot. Food quick.
Yeah. Sabor Dominicano, you already know.
What's going on? Yeah, we just went to the, where did we go? Dominican spot, eating some Dominican food. I wanted something on the menu that wasn't there. And I ain't talking about food. But enough about that. I'm in Freeport still. We're by the Nautical Mile. Nautical Mile is over there. Really big, really big. I'm out by the water. So yeah, you know, it's all about that water life. Grandfather, grandmother, father was born out here in Freeport, Long Island. Life is a blessing. Life is great. Shout out to everybody always making their videos on YouTube. Shout out to you, shout out to you, shout out to you. But just remember, nobody wants to see you squiggling like this. This ain't no TikTok. This ain't no, what else? This ain't no YouTube. I mean, it is YouTube. This ain't no Instagram. This ain't no Facebook Live. Nobody wants to see the camera going like this. That looks insane. I'm just saying. My stuff is all hand. I don't use tripods. It's just, I've been blessed with that. Remember, no wiggling around like this. Nobody wants to see those kind of videos on YouTube. You know, buy yourself a tripod or just lace it up next to something. Just saying. Just always glad you're watching. Click like, subscribe. We're in Freeport, Nautical Mile. If you've never been down here, I'm telling you, hottest spot. Like, Long Beach is really cool. Don't get me wrong during the summertime, but Nautical Mile, yeah, 2019 summer, right? Yeah, man. What's going on? Still here at Freeport, just chilling, celebrating my friend's 21st birthday. We're gonna do it real big on, Monday. We're going to the ring. Yeah, man. If you want to be a celebrity, act like a celebrity. Come on. Come on. You know what I said. This is 2019. You know what I'm gonna do? Yo, let's get into some music from my man Gianni. Yeah, man. Gianni, let's go. Previewing some of his music. Some old, some new. Check him out on GEONNY on YouTube. Also, Up One Music. Man, they're coming out with another hit. It's on here. They're coming up with some videos too, directed by yours truly. Yeah, man, can't wait for that one. It should be out shortly. I don't know. We'll just call it soon. That's what I hear a lot. So we'll see. It's gonna be soon. Could be tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Or could be in a couple weeks from now. Or months. I don't know what soon is. But whatever soon is, it will be. So let's get into this music by Gianni. Oh, he's just singing without no music. Just, man, it's pretty awesome. Let's do this. It was his 21st birthday. Shout out to you, Gianni. Happy 21st once again. Let's get into it.
Like everything's okay.
Yeah.
Time goes by, my feelings prisons of stuck at the things I could have said. And I see you with him, and I don't know why it decided to end up like this.
Say what?
To the sky and the earth collide, yeah, for the rest of my days. Till my heart stops beating, until I suffocate, till I reach the golden gates. No matter the price I pay, I won't stop till I win your love. Whoa, 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 whoa. I won't stop till I win your love.
Yeah.
The way it has to be. Fight it as I may.
Come on.
The chips are finally falling. The skies are surely gray.
So great.
The rain is heavily pouring.
Looks like rain.
And I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
Why the devil's calling.
Yeah.
He's calling.
Yeah.
And I don't understand.
Okay.
And I don't understand.
Yeah.
Why the devil's
And
calling?
I don't understand why he keeps calling me. Just trying to live my life, fulfill my destiny. I'm going, he's calling, I'm coming, he's going. No matter where I head, I pass, I always see him crossing. Damn, is the truth that still remains? Truth is in the veins, is the truth that still remains, yeah. No matter what I do, Gianni, he's calling.
He's calling, and I don't understand. And I don't understand why the devil's calling. He's calling, and I don't understand.
Yeah.
And I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
Why the devil's calling.
It's a rap,
It
bro.
have to be the way it has to be. Fight it as a man. The chips are finally falling.
Okay.
The skies are surely gray.
Right.
The rain is heavily pouring. And I don't understand
What don't you understand?
why the devil's
If
calling.
there's another side, I'm surely looking for it. Why you suppress the love and let the haters flourish? But the truth will still be told. You can't keep looking back and expect moving forward. Yes, remember it's your time. The truth is in the dark, but the spirit is the shines.
Yeah.
Okay.
You scream to heaven's high. You came along for the ride.
I told the man.
Was false.
Yeah.
You lied and said you're gone. The pain is how I
What's he gonna
feel.
reveal?
The truth I will reveal. I'm just a man living in the shadows, waiting for the day after tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm just a man living in the shadows, waiting for the day after tomorrow.
Will it come? Will it end? Will the government defend? Or to another planet they wanna descend? Will it come? Will it end? Until the
Or to another planet they wanna descend us.
Oh, yes, the truth I will reveal. Living in this atmosphere, is this even real? Will it come? Will it end? And if the answer is yes, they're the great pretenders who know how to pretend. Remember,
Soul mission is to guide you on your purpose.
but life is all
Too ensure to be uncomfortable
Yes.
on purpose. Just a man who's
living in the shadows.
Living in the shadows, waiting for the day after tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm just a man living in the shadows, waiting for the day after tomorrow. Will it come? Will it end? Will the government defend? Or to another planet they wanna descend? Will it come? Will it end? Will the government defend? Or to another planet they wanna descend us tomorrow? Tomorrow, tomorrow.
Man,
I'm just a man tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow.
I'm just a man.
Here we go again.
Bet you'll hear me from the top of the world.
Top of the world.
Claim that it's honest, but it's not what unfolds. You couldn't buy me, you couldn't buy me. Handful of diamonds and pocket full of gold.
Say it again, baby.
I bet you'll hear me from the top of the world.
Top of the world.
Claim that it's honest, but it's not what unfolds.
Yeah.
You couldn't buy me,
You couldn't buy me.
you couldn't buy me.
You couldn't buy me.
Handful of diamonds and pocket full of gold, motherfucker.
That's it, bro. That's it. Ain't no more.
That's Gianni. Up One Music. We ain't playing. Ain't no jokes up in here. Told you. I told you. I told you.
I told ya.
Told you. Yo, what's going on? Hopefully you like that music by Gianni, all his good songs, and one of the newer songs that's going to be on his playlist. That's pretty cool and pretty awesome. I gotta end this video. I was gonna try to put this in the other one, but you know, I want to put just Manhattan in the, as you know, the cat's out of the bag. Going next video is gonna be Manhattan and / Rainbow Room, but hopefully you liked it. You know, it's almost about that time, but I'm gonna do a quick unboxing real quick. It's always fun. I'm gonna wear these probably when I'm going to Africa in October for my 41st birthday. Bless. Trip's already paid for. People said, how many? I'm saying 3 days. That's good enough. Now, you don't know you'll be staying day, months, all these times. What should you be doing, really, seriously? What do we have here? Oh, nice. Good night. Jesus, we can't wait to rock these. I've almost got every sneakers overseas, all Jordans. Gonna be 1 through 33 hopefully by let's say this year or next. Just depends where my cousin wants to go. Hoping that we go to Mexico or Dominican Republic. I'm trying to push Dominican Republic this year. Definitely, if you understand, I'm trying to push the Dominican. Nothing's better than the Dominican. And yeah, man. But yeah, it's an unboxing of 19s. Nothing really too special. It is what it is. So let's get it. Thank you. And the next video should be all of Manhattan, seeing the Met, seeing a bunch of different museums, and then if I can film inside of the Rainbow Room, I'll let you know. Till the next time.